Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of my weight loss journey, my ketogenic diet journey, I want to show you guys how I do my bulletproof coffee. If you want to know how I do my bulletproof coffee, please stay tuned and I will show you. But before I start the video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video if you enjoy it. Like this video and share with your friends, and even if you don't enjoy it, please go ahead and like the video because it helps me out. It helps YouTube know that people are being interactive with me and they can place my video higher. Also leave me comments down below if you have any other thing that you want me to talk about concerning my weight loss journey, concerning the ketogenic diet, or any other diet that you feel like I can help you with. Let me know and I can share those things with you guys. That being said, let's start the video. Let's start. So this is how I start with my bulletproof coffee. So I get a cup, and I usually use just any cup, but I like using this. It's my Ninja and I like using it. And I start with a tablespoonful of my MCT oil, and this is my favorite brand that I usually use. And I get this from Amazon, and if you guys want, I can link it down below. So I start with a tablespoon of MCT oil. If I know that my dinner will not be where I need my fat intake to be, then I will add another tablespoon, which I know it will, so I added another tablespoon. I also will add Kerrygold butter, and this one I usually don't measure it. I just eyeball how much I need. And then I drop it in. At this point, I will add I have collagen, and I also got this from Amazon. So I'll add collagen, which is 20 grams of collagen peptides. It's keto friendly and paleo friendly, so anybody that is doing the paleo can also use this. I only add 1 scoop, and I will add cocoa butter, and this is raw cocoa butter. It's 2 tablespoons, which is 14 grams, and it's 130 calories. I have a food scale, which I bought before I even started keto, but it's a very good investment. I got it from Groupon. So 14 grams. So this is the sweetener that I like to use in my coffee, and this is the brand that I like to use, and I also get this from Amazon. You can actually mix your own, which I have done that. I bought the monk fruit separate and I bought the erythritol separate, and I mix it together and it still tasted the same. But I like this brand, so I use this brand. It's, once again, it's monk fruit blended with erythritol. So that's the brand I like to use. And I have it already in a canister. It's easier for me to do that. So I do a scoop. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. And I used to add 2, but I'm changing it right now. So I'll add 1 tablespoon. And 1 tablespoon of coconut milk creamer. I like to take my coffee in a mason jar. There is something about a mason jar that I like, so I always put my coffee in a mason jar. And voila. Good. So this is the end result my bulletproof coffee. I like it. It keeps me in ketosis still. I don't know how you do yours. If you have a recipe, please leave it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in another video. Leave me comments below what other video you want to see. I will also actually do another video talking about how I do ketogenic diet the African way, but I feel like talking about it is one thing. I want to show you the foods that I eat that is African that you can also do. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.